Hey there, everyone. Iggy here from the Investing Iguana, coming to you with another exciting video that's sure to ignite your path to success right here in our Lion City. Today, I'm thrilled to unravel a secret that has been a game changer for the likes of Bill Gates. Yes, you heard it right. In this video, I'm going to explain to you the transformative 5-hour rule, a simple yet powerful strategy that has not only shaped the world's most successful minds, but is also incredibly relevant and adaptable to our bustling Singaporean lifestyle. So, whether you're a student, a working professional, or anyone who wants to make the most out of their time, stay tuned. This could be the key to unlocking a whole new level of personal and professional development for you. Let's dive in and discover how just 5 hours a week can lead you to unparalleled success in the Lion City. In the bustling city-state of Singapore, where the pace of life is as rapid as the growth of our iconic Marina Bay skyline, there lies a secret to both personal and professional excellence: the 5-hour rule. Originally coined by Michael Simmons, this principle has been a game-changer for many, from the busy streets of Orchard Road to the innovative tech hubs in One North. Take a moment to visualize setting aside 1 hour each day, adding up to 5 hours every week, dedicated entirely to learning and personal growth. This approach isn't about traditional study methods or memorizing textbooks. It's about a consistent, intentional journey of learning. This method isn't just a secret of global icons like Bill Gates, it's a practical strategy for everyone, including the bustling, forward-moving population of Singapore. It's a call to action for you and me, for every individual seeking to flourish in our vibrant, ever-changing city. This concept transcends the conventional classroom setting, embracing a broader, more holistic approach to education. It's about enriching our lives through continuous exploration and self-improvement, tailored to our unique interests and goals. This learning can take many forms, from exploring new technologies, diving into the rich cultural heritage of Singapore, or even developing personal hobbies and skills. The aim is to make learning a daily habit, a part of our lifestyle, much like the city we live in, constantly evolving and growing. 5 hours to transform your well-being. Dedicating 5 hours each week to activities you love does much more than provide a temporary escape from everyday routines. This commitment is a powerful tool for enhancing your overall well-being. Engaging in hobbies or interests that ignite your passion not only serves as a mental reset, but it also contributes significantly to your emotional health. This time spent in personal pursuits is not just about relaxation, it's a journey towards building a stronger sense of self-worth and belief in your abilities. As you explore and develop new skills, or immerse yourself in activities that bring you joy, you're also crafting a narrative of personal success and accomplishment. Whether these achievements are big or small, they play a crucial role in nurturing your self-esteem and self-efficacy. This practice becomes a celebratory ritual where each new skill learned or milestone reached is a step towards a more fulfilled and confident self. Beyond distraction, a path to productivity and purpose. In the fast-paced environment of Singapore, where efficiency and productivity are deeply ingrained in the culture, the 5-hour rule emerges not just as a moment of reprieve, but as a powerful catalyst for personal and professional growth. This rule encourages individuals to take a step back, disconnect from the daily hustle, and immerse themselves in activities that reignite their passion. This practice of relaxation and engagement in enjoyable activities plays a crucial role in refreshing the mind and reigniting motivation. More than just a pause from routine, the 5-hour rule is instrumental in enhancing creative thinking and driving ambition across various aspects of life. It's about elevating the quality of output in professional settings while also contributing positively to community involvement and personal hobbies. By dedicating time to personal interests and learning, Singaporeans find a unique way to balance the demands of a high-energy lifestyle with the nourishment of their intellectual and emotional well-being. Stress reduction and skill enhancement. Embracing the 5-hour rule is essentially like scheduling regular meetings with your future self, focusing on emotional and psychological growth. This commitment involves dedicating time each week to personal development, allowing for the cultivation of new skills and exploration of different roles. This isn't merely about empowerment, it's a transformative journey towards a more optimistic outlook on life. By focusing on meaningful goals and continuous learning, you're not just enhancing your abilities, you're actively shaping a more positive and goal-oriented perspective on your life's journey. This practice becomes a cornerstone for personal fulfillment, allowing you to align more closely with your aspirations and values. Implementing the 5-hour rule in the Lion City. Adapting the 5-hour rule to the vibrant and diverse context of Singapore requires thoughtful planning and a dedicated approach. It's about making a conscious decision to set aside time each week for your own personal development. This commitment to self-improvement could take many forms. For instance, you might explore the rich culinary landscape of Singapore by visiting a new hawker center, thereby gaining a deeper appreciation of local cuisines. Alternatively, engaging in community projects like participating in your local neighborhood's community garden can foster a sense of connection and contribute to personal growth. Reflecting on your personal achievements and identifying areas for growth is another critical aspect. The essence of successfully integrating this rule into your life hinges on maintaining consistency and discipline in your efforts. Regularly dedicating time to these activities, with a focus on continuous learning and personal enrichment, is key to making the most out of this strategy in the unique Singaporean setting. A strategy for every Singaporean. The 5-hour rule's charm is its broad applicability, extending beyond the realm of the intellectually curious or those driven by specific goals. It's a versatile principle that resonates with a diverse range of individuals, from university students like those at the National University of Singapore, striving for academic and personal growth, to innovative entrepreneurs in the tech-forward Punggol Digital District, seeking to enhance their business acumen. Even retirees living in the heart of Jurong can find value in this rule, utilizing it to explore new hobbies or skills. This approach fosters a culture of continuous learning and self-improvement, enabling individuals to acquire new competencies, expand their knowledge base, and effectively manage stress. Such practices are especially beneficial in the fast-moving society of Singapore, where adapting to change and lifelong learning are crucial for personal fulfillment and well-being. And that's a wrap, folks. I hope you're as inspired as I am to start implementing the 5-hour rule in your life. Remember, it's not just about learning, it's about growing, evolving, and becoming the best version of yourself right here in Singapore. If you found this video insightful and think it could benefit others, please hit that like button and share it around. Your support means the world to me. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to the Investing Iguana for more content that helps you navigate your journey to success. Your feedback is invaluable, so drop a comment below on how you plan to use the 5-hour rule in your life. Until next time, keep investing in yourself, and let's thrive together in our vibrant Lion City. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.